Hey guys, Arpita here. Welcome back to Arpita's Kitchen. Today we are making yummy chocolate roll. To prepare this chocolate roll, we are not using any oven or gas. This is totally fireless. This dish I prepared for YouTube Queen's Fireless Cooking Competition. If you want to know how I prepared this yummy kids loving chocolate roll, then keep on watching. To start with, in a bowl I am taking 2 tablespoons of kova. This is a sweetless kova. 2 tablespoons, that is around 50 grams. For this I am adding 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar and half a tablespoon of cocoa powder. Don't add cocoa powder too much. And 1 tablespoon of Bournvita. If Bournvita is not available, you can use Boost also. For this I will be adding around 1 tablespoon of milk and I will combine everything very well so that the kova and the powdered sugar combines very well without any lumps. As I mentioned, don't add cocoa powder too much. We may have bitter taste in our choco roll. So once the kova is nicely combined without any lumps, as you can see, it will melt little bit due to the powdered sugar and kova. Don't worry, keep on mixing without any lumps and make a smooth paste like. Now we will add milk powder around 2 tablespoons to make a dough. As I mentioned, if we add milk powder at the starting, we may end up with lumps. So mix the kova and finally add the milk powder and make a dough like consistency like this. And refrigerate this for 30 minutes to 1 hour until it sets completely. So I just keep in refrigerator. Meanwhile, in another bowl, I am taking desiccated coconut around half cup of milk powder, elaichi powder for flavoring and 2 tablespoons of milk maid. Just combine everything to make a soft dough. No need to add extra milk or water to this. As we have milk maid, we will get a soft dough. So as you can see, after mixing in a spoon, everything comes together. Take everything and make a dough and keep it aside. No need to refrigerate this coconut mixture. Now take a foil sheet and grease this with a ghee. You can use any sheet, butter paper also if it is available with you. Just grease any paper which you have taken very well. Now place the cocoa mixture what we have refrigerated for half an hour and give it a shape like a rectangle, and using a rolling pin I am just rolling a little bit. This has to be quite thick. Don't make it too thin. Now you can see I just rolled and I am giving a shape of a rectangle by sealing the edges, and it is quite thick like ½ inch. Now I'll place the coconut mixture what we prepared in the center and I'll just press down so that it will also spread over the coconut and cocoa mixture. You can see I'm just pressing the coconut mixture and I'm combining with the chocolate mixture. Once we have attained desired thickness, we will roll this on both the ends by folding the foil sheet as you can see here, and seal the chocolate mixture thoroughly, and you should not see any coconut mixture outside. Once you have sealed completely, roll this and refrigerate this for 1 hour to set. After 1 hour, I have just kept in refrigerator. I'll just open and show you. You can see it has nicely set. As we have greased the paper, it will come out very easily. It doesn't stick to your paper. Now we will cut this and we will serve our coconut rolls. You can see inside there is a coconut mixture and outside it is a beautiful chocolate. Kids will love this dish and it is a party friendly. You can serve this in parties, kiddie parties. Very easy to prepare without fire. I'll just cut open and I'll show you a piece. You can see the coconut has nicely stuffed with chocolate outside. Now we will serve this. You can use any dry fruits for decoration or this will taste yummy like this only. Hope you have enjoyed my video. If so, please like and share this video and also comment below. Thank you so much for watching this.